Everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks. So today I am doing or making a Halloween prop out of this old decrepit book of mine. I'm going to make a witch's spell book and I'm going to be using this spider. So I'm going to start by painting the pages this sour apple green. So I've decided now to go ahead and paint the book, and I'm going to do it in black. So I'm going to paint the front, back, and the binding and get this all painted up. And I'm really going to like the color of the black with the green pages. I think it'll look great. So this is such a fun little project. It is so easy and really doesn't cost much to do. And what's fun about it too is you can do it in any color you like and add anything. Like I'm going to add the spider, but you could add leaves, a little snake, anything, some little bugs. Just a cute little witch's potion book. So let me finish up getting this painted. Okay, so I got it all finished up. So I'm going to stand it up on the side and just let it dry really well. And then I'm going to start to decorate it. So I have this little sign from the Dollar Tree. I have many of them. And I thought I'm going to pull this apart. Comes apart really easy, and I'm going to use it to get more of a 3D look, and I'm going to put it on my book, just hot glue it on, and write my title of the book there. And it fits perfectly. So I have also decided to paint this the same sour green apple color to match the pages in the book. And this did take 2 coats to do. And I'm making a sloppy mess because I'm trying to do this one-handed. Okay, so I've let it dry and I'm just going to hot glue it right onto the book. while I'm doing this, I'm trying to figure out a title for my potion book. So I'm going to use a generous amount of hot glue and just push down firmly and glue it right to the cover of the book. Now you'll see it looks like it's getting glued on backwards, but I have my camera in reverse position. So you'll see at the end, I did glue it the right way. So give it a little push, hold it down for a few seconds, and there you go. So before I glue my spider on, I want to do a little something to it. So I'm going to figure out what do I want to write as my title. And I think I'm going to get out a chalk pencil and just freehand my title, which is just going to be potions. But that way, if I mess it up, I can just easily wipe it off. So let's write out potions. So I've decided to use my black puffy paint to make my lettering. Now I'm going to use the puffy paint for a couple reasons. One, it's easy. I have it on hand, and I want to sprinkle some glitter on it while it's wet, and that way the glitter will just stick right on the puffy paint. Now you can use a permanent ink marker or some type of lettering, or even just paint it on freestyle, whatever you want to do. And that's what it looks like, and I think it looks pretty darn good. So here's my glitter. Like I say, I had red on hand. I think I would have liked gold better, but that's okay. It'll do in a pinch, and that's what I use, just a pinch. So just sprinkle it right onto the puffy paint and let it dry. So on my spider, I want to add a little bit of the same sour apple green because it's black on a black book, and I want it to stand out just a little bit better. So I'm just going to paint a few little stripes on and a few little polka dots, and we'll see how the spider looks. Okay, so this is how my potion book turned out. I love the spider, and I think it's cute.